Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
आग्वाद किल्ल्याच्या वाठारात आशिल्ले लायट हाऊस पोन्ने जाल्ल्यान दुरुस्ती करपाची गरज आसा. नवे लायट हाऊस सुरू केले उपरांत हे लायट हाऊस पर्यटकांक उक्ते केल्ले. मात लायट हाऊस पोन्ने जाल्ल्यान ट्युरिस्टांक वयर वचपाक बंदी घाल्या.
या सगळ्यान आदलो लायट हाऊस which has got archaeological importance and it is under ASI, the Archaeological Survey of India. We will see whether the work of repairs will be taken up by ASI or by from the state government fund or central fund. कित्याक तो किल्लो जो आहा, main fort जो आहा, Fort Agwada, this is under Archaeological Survey of India. So I will talk whether Captain of Ports, who is the custodian of the lighthouse, to take up the work. Then I will immediately tell Captain of Port to do necessary estimates to repair it under the archaeological architect. म्हणजे तेंचो कोण तरी बरो आदलो जाणार आर्किटेक्ट घेवन तो रिपेर करपाची गरज आसा, which is actually under dilapidated condition.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फट्टे.